Good morning, children. See, already we discussed about rational numbers, but in that channel, they all one more are also is telling the same topic, rational numbers. That's why I changed the topic. That is real equations in one variable. Before going to this, we'll see some introduction part about this linear equations. What is a variable? First of all, what is a variable? What is a variable? The value of the variable. If we don't know any unknown thing, we will refer it as variable. The value of the variable always changes. For example, we'll take a practical example. Two persons are there, Ravi and Ramu. Two persons are there. If he is Ravi and he is Ramu. See his age. Ravi's age we don't know. We knew the age of Ramu, 35 years. What is the age of Ravi? We don't know. If you double the Ravi's age, and add 5 years to this Ravi's age, we will get Ramu's age, that is 35. We don't know Ravi's age. Let's assume that it as X. Double the Ravi's age, 2x, and add 5 to this Ravi's age, we will get 35 years, that is Ramu's age. Now, from this equation, we can solve the x. X is nothing but variable. The value of the x, we have to find out the value of the x. Keep the variable term on the left hand side and transpose this one to the right hand side. That is 35. If you transpose to the right hand side, here it is plus. If you transpose there, minus. So 35 minus 5, 30. So 2x is equals to 30. Here 2 is multiply. If you transpose to the right hand side, it becomes division. 30 divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2. 1 remainder, 5s are 10. So x is equal to 15 years. What is the age of Ravi? Ravi's age is 15 years. We don't know his actual age. That's why we assumed that with a variable, that is x. Here for Ravi's age we took x. X is equal to 15 years. In another problem, it may be 20 or 25 or 30, like that. The value of the variable always changes. It never be same number. Whereas constant means, in this daily life situations, we use these variables to solve the equations. To solve this equation, we use these variables. Okay. If you take the constant, what is a constant? Constant is nothing but fixed value. In any problem if you take, or anywhere you take that constant, that will be same number only. For example, 20 means 20 only, 30 means 30 only, 500 means 500. If you see this 500 in one problem, it will be 500 only. In another problem also, it may be 500 only. Whereas if you take as variable, here x is equals to, we got just now we saw the one example, that is x is equals to 15 years. But if you go to another problem, it may be x is equals to 4 or x is equals to 8. The value of the variable may always changes, whereas the constant never changes. So here variable constant. Then we'll see the terms. Terms means the product of variables, constants, are only constants or only variables. These are the terms. 2x, the product of variable and one constant term, or 2x square y. Two variables, one constant. These are known as terms. If these terms are combined with two fundamental operations, that is plus or minus 3x square y, this is known as expression. We call it as expression. In this expression, we have two types of expressions. That is numerical expression, 2 plus 4 plus 5. Only numbers you have means we call it as numerical expression. If it has only one variable, this already everything you studied in 8th and 7th classes. That's why I am giving a fast revision about that. Okay. See, if you have one variable 2x plus 4y plus 3 plus 8 plus 6x. If you have one variable, we call it as algebraic expression. Only numbers means we call it as numerical expression. If you have at least one variable, we call it as algebraic expression. Now you see, if this equation is equals to, if this algebraic expression is equals to 0, then we call it as equation. Then we call it as equation. In this equation, these are equations, no? In this equation, this is left hand side and this is right hand side. Left hand side simply we call it as LHS and right hand side we simply call it as RHS. Always LHS is equals to RHS. This is equation. See, 2x plus 4 is equals to for example 20. So 2x is equals to plus 4. If you transpose, see, if you transpose one quantity from the left hand side to the right hand side, what will happen? Plus quantity. These are very, very important. If you observe this carefully, you can do each and every problem very easily. If you transpose plus quantity from the left hand side to the right hand side, it becomes minus. If you transpose minus quantity from left hand side to the right hand side, it becomes plus. If you transpose into from left hand side to the right hand side, it becomes division, divided by. If you transpose division, if it is division, that means here it is multiplication. If you transpose this one, it becomes division. So division transposes means multiplication. So in this way, if one quantity transposes from left hand side to the right hand side, it changes in such a way. Okay. Next, see here 2x plus 4 here. If we transpose, plus becomes minus. 20 minus 4, that is equals to 16. 2x is equals to 16. Here 2 is multiplying. If we transpose to the right hand side, what will happen? It divides. X is equals to 16 by 2. 2 ones, 2 8s. So x is equal to 8. See, we solved this equation. We solved this equation by solving the x variable. That is known as x is equal to 8. We call this as solution of this equation. Solution. X value is nothing but we call it as solution of the equation. What is the solution of the equation? Here x is equals to 8. X is equals to 8. See, this is an equation and this x is known as variables and this is a constant term, and left hand side we have 2x plus 4 and right hand side we have 20. By solving this, plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, into becomes division, division becomes into, and this is known as solution of the equation. Solution of the equation. Up to now we discussed what is an equation. We want linear equation. What are linear equations? If the degree of the equation is 1, if the degree of the equation, see, 2x plus 4 is equals to 0. Here the degree of the variable is 1. So it is a linear equation. Linear equation. We call it as linear equation. See, 2x plus 3y plus 4 plus 5 is equals to 0. Here also we have the degree as 1 only. Here 1, here 1. This is also linear equation only. But the difference between these two is linear equation in one variable x only. But here linear equation in two variables, two different variables. We have 2x, 3y. That's why this is linear equation in one variable. About our topic, today's topic, linear equation in one variable is nothing but that degree should be 1. Linear means the equation's degree, the degree of the equation should be always 1 and only one variable we have to use. That is known as linear equation in one variable. Here also linear equation only, but the variables are 2. Linear equation in 2 variables. See, for example, here also one variable only, 3x plus 4x plus 5 plus 6 is equals to 0. Is it a linear equation? this is one variable only, but it is not a linear equation. Why? Because the degree is not 1, it is 2. It is a quadratic equation. So if the degree is 1 and it should have only one variable, then we call it as linear equations in one variable. Today we just discussed what is a linear equation, what is a variable, what is a constant, what is terms, what are algebraic terms, what are algebraic expression, numerical expression, what is an linear equation in one variable. Just introduction part we completed. Tomorrow we'll see the remaining topic. Okay, thank you.